So you're sitting in front of your Husqvarna Viking Designer EPIC 2 and you can't remember what to touch or what something actually means. So what I want to do is just pull up a design. I've touched the little flower and up comes my menu of designs. I'm going to just touch and hold one of these so it comes onto the screen. And I can even touch this part here to kind of center it on screen. But if you are wondering what something is, a quick reminder, you have Quick Help, you've got the Joy OS Advisor, and you've got a way to search your manual. So let me show you just how to do those. The biggest, most common one that I use all the time is the question mark. So if you touch it, you'll notice it pulsates blue, and then come down here and touch something on the screen. So if I touch this area, it reminds me that this is in an area I can arrange the order of my designs or even group them together if I have more than one on the screen. On some of these, when I touch that particular item, like the mirror image, there might be something more about that particular topic where I can go ahead and touch it and it will open up the manual to help me read more about those particular functions and how those can actually be used. Touch down here where it's blue and it will kind of disappear. So that's another place here where you can go into the manual. I always touch the one with the magnifying glass to search, and then you can search A to Z with the topics you're looking for, or type in something that you're looking for, and then that will help you find that particular item. And last, don't forget you've got the Joy OS Advisor. We have the advisor where you can come in and look for different topics of designs. So if I want to look for felting embroidery designs, and then I touch here for freestanding felting designs, I'll actually find what I'm looking for by pulling any of the built-in designs that fit that topic. There's 4 of them actually in this particular machine, plus bring up the step-by-step tutorial that I can read through down below here. And if there is a video, it will guide me by allowing me to touch something on screen that looks like a play button for that particular video. So I can touch and hold, and in will come the design that I have selected. Our videos are great, but you do have a lot of information built right into your machine that you can just touch and look up while you're sitting and exploring.